paint. Ma, we got paint. We got paint.
Okay, hold on 1 second. When I finish cooking, we can paint.
Okay.
Thank you. Being a mom never stops, even when you're cooking. I'm learning to breathe. Wow, that's a zebra. Hold on, let me finish cooking. I'm cutting the cilantro. 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 Can you say that? Cilantro. Say cilantro. Okay. That's close. Cilantro. Very good. Trash.
No, my gosh.
Draw. Paint.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Mom, no, oh my gosh. Mom.
Here. Be careful.
Guys.
Don't make a mess, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.